Koro sama mi opposition kalore kaka na deliver the vote. Kora karomo. Ngama no romo no dak ne bi dayas. En dak na osel policy mar governor. Ngama no osel orengo bubedo governor is here was Makam. And I was gifted to be in the politics. Okay, no romo. Politics is not a matter of education. Politics is a matter of voting. How many votes do you leave for the governor? Not experience. Experience, man, they go debate go lecturer. One. Samana would a governor, who would have your governor. You go to get a secunda less. You realize na ko say yera. Mago alo bwana. Mago kik mo kaya tolerate. Mago alo. No me opposition kala reg merit. Did you deliver the vote for the governor of Ogunja? Ni deliver votes malego. Ni iwe kuji bondo mo gocho. Ni iwe kuji gembo gocho. We were working with the governor every sub-county. Every rally. Amiel, Awuyo, Governor Awuyo. Kotieko ni. So they create, in fact, position mane governor create nano. Onge county 47 gite. Kuborengo is a vast experience governor. Odio yera gicha kaka brother ne. Tunisha bwana, you have worked for this thing. You deliver the seat. Igori opponent must succeed. Kuribedo County Information Management Officer 1. Unge County is 47. It accepts here. That is my position. And I appreciate what Orengo did for me. But politics ya kwa differ. Sadiko lokenwadi another election.
Nitire jokma report kuomi.
Yes. Donc I got information go any county information officer 1. Sub counties go 10 boya. And ga chela pa sub county. Gini boya te. To manu gimoko chuno ni nyaka landiji. Kwani kondika si ata keti public. Kondika si
wa chuma Sangwenya ni se winje.
Sangwenya